consultation was super easy. They went over the hairline, make sure that it was exactly what I wanted. And I'm just excited to get started. And there we go. We got my head shaved, got the hairline figured out, a real easy process of getting an IV put in, and looks like we're ready to go. I heard about it from a friend who basically came here about 6 months ago and already had some great results. So kind of just, he did all the research and I kind of followed in his footsteps. I've actually had one other transplant done in the US before, so I really so far have enjoyed the process. It seems actually a little more refined here, a little more high tech, and it's been pretty seamless, pretty painless. Yeah, everything was smooth. You know, it was nice to have the transportation back and forth to the hotel, and really everyone's taken really gentle care. It's been really not any painful moments, and yeah, I would say exceeded my expectations, and it was very seamless. Yeah, just, you know, it's nice to see that you guys are using all the, you know, the latest technologies, and that, you know, there's low infection rates. You know, my friend that came himself, you know, had great results, and yeah, I mean, you just mostly look to make sure there's a sterile environment and it's the latest technology that's being used. Yeah, I mean, everything here feels, you know, very new, very modern, very clean. So that was a really kind of reassuring moment. The minute you walk in, everything just seems like it's brand new. Everything seems very clean. I love going down the elevator to see the surgical suites. I mean, those were just beautiful, you know, state-of-the-art type of thing. So that also is reassuring to see that. I was surprised, actually. I really enjoyed chatting with Dr. Hassan about the hyperbaric chamber and how much experience he has. I mean, it's fantastic, and to know and to find out that this is the only place in the world that has it for transplant patients, I think it's incredible. It's unique. I know about it from my own practice in the very rare situations in the emergency department that we need to get someone to a hyperbaric oxygen chamber, but that was a really cool experience. You know, it's not something that everyone gets to do, and to help, you know, help with the recovery phase, I thought that was fantastic, and I had never heard of anybody doing that after the hair transplant, so that was news to me. That was awesome. I mean, I certainly think it would, you know, just physiologically based off of how much oxygen you're getting into your body. I mean, that definitely will help with healing, so I really hope to see some quick recovery. So far, I 100% would recommend it, and I'm really looking forward to see all the results in the future, for sure.